Fast and Furious 5 race, head-to-head RS3 vs A45 AMG vs Civic Type R vs Golf R vs Focus RS.
Okay. We got the results. The RS3 did the quarter miles in just 12.2 seconds, A45 took 12.9 seconds, Focus RS did in 13.5. Both Civic Type R and Golf R did it in 14 seconds, even though Civic R started slow, it beat the Golf R by just a bumper trim. Audi RS3 features. With a turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder under the hood, RS3 produces 400 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km/h is dispatched in 3.8 seconds and uninhibited. A45 AMG Features. Powered by a 2.0-liter inline 4, 16 valves, turbocharged engine. This fine-tuned hatchback generates a sufficient 421 horsepower and a maximum torque of 500 Nm, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.9 seconds. Ford Focus RS features. Ford Focus RS, complete with a big deal rear spoiler, pumps 350 horsepower out of its tiny 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine along with the matching torque rating. It's said to do 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. Civic Type R features. With 315 horsepower, the turbocharged 2-liter 16V inline 4 gasoline engine, Honda K-series K20C1, accelerates the Civic Type R to 62 mph in 5.7 seconds and onto a maximum speed of 169 mph. Golf R features. The 2017 Volkswagen Golf R produces 310 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. Golf R is capable of spring from 0 to 60 mph in 4.7 seconds, and that feels about right.